everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine, and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over my choreography for This Christmas by Donny Hathaway. So, if you haven't yet watched the short that I posted a little bit ago where I performed the choreography with music, then I would recommend watching that one after you learn the dance in this video. So I will link it in the description below. So once you learn this dance, then you can go and watch that video and you can do the dance with music in that video. So let's get started here. We start with 2 shuffle steps. We have right side, left side. So shuffle step right and then left. And then you have a shuffle ball change on your right. So this is going to be kind of a fast ball change. So you want to keep the feet close together. And yeah, you don't want to step too far back because then it won't be able to be fast enough. So shuffle, ball change. And then to end it, you have a shuffle step to finish on your right side. You're then going to repeat it on your left side. So 2 shuffle steps. And then the shuffle, ball change, shuffle step. Okay. So I didn't mention this earlier in the video, but this is about a beginner level choreography. So maybe a little bit more on the advanced beginner level, but I'd say it's more beginner. So you can always make modifications. So if you don't feel like your balance is ready, instead of doing shuffle step on your toe, you can do shuffle stomp, full foot, whatever works best for you is perfectly fine. So let's try that from the top. Shuffle step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle step, right side into left side. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left side. Good. From here, you're going to do 2 full lap heels, right side and left side. And then a modification on a Broadway. So a Broadway, we go to the side. First, we start right side. You're going to go full lap, heel, heel on your right. And then spank, heel, toe. And so the modification is that you're not going to do that final heel drop on the right foot. You're just going to end it with that toe. Okay, so again, you have 2 full lap heels. And then your Broadway on the right. And then you're going to repeat it on your left side. Full lap, heel, left, then right. Now the modified Broadway is on your left side. So left side goes full lap, heel, heel, spank, heel, toe. Okay, try just that again. Right side, left side. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Broadway. Left side. Broadway. Good. Let's try it from the top now, from those shuffle steps. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left side. Full lap heel. Left side. Good. From here, we're going to go into 3 paradiddles, right, left, right. So from this toe on your right, make sure when you do that toe, you don't put your weight on it. You just bounce it off the floor, and then you start moving your foot forward to go into your paradiddle. So 3 paradiddles, you're going to go from here. You have 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to step left, right. And then you're going to go into your left side. 3 paradiddles starting on your left. 1, step now is on the right, starting right and then left. Okay, try that again. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. And step, left side. Good. From here, we're going to go into some buffaloes. So we start our buffaloes on our right foot, and we have 3 of them. So we just finished here. Step, step. Weights on the left. Right foot goes. 1, 2, 3. And then to transition to the left side, you're going to go flat ball change on your right foot. Okay? So again, flat ball change on your right foot is flat ball change. You can stomp on that right to make sure you put your weight on it. Then you're going to switch to your left side. So your weight's on your right. Left side has 3 buffaloes. Then flat ball change on your left now. Good. And to finish it out, we just finished here. To finish it out, you're going to do 2 cramp rolls on your right foot. And then you're going to do dig, step, right. And then dig on your left. And then instead of stepping, this step is going to start your left-sided cramp roll. You're going to do 2 cramp rolls on your left. And then finish it out, dig, step, left side, right side. Good. So again, the ending, we just finished here with our buffaloes. 2 cramp rolls right side. And then dig, step, dig, cramp roll left. And dig, step, step. And that's where we end it. All right, so let's put the whole thing together. Nice and slow. I'll do it a few times through. First will be slow. Second time will be more up to tempo. So here we go. From the top, shuffle steps. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Left side. Flat heel. Broadway. Flat heel. Broadway. Paradiddle. Step, step, left side. And step, step. Buffalo. Flat ball change. Cramp roll. Dig, step, dig, cramp roll. Dig, step, dig, step. All right, now up to tempo. This is the last time here. Here we go. Again, if you want to watch the dance with music, I will link the video to the short in the description box below. So if you want to practice it with music, you can go ahead and find that link to that in the description box. All right, up to tempo, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Left side. Flat heel. Broadway. Flat heel. Broadway. Paradiddle. Left side. Buffalo. Left side. Cramp roll. Left side. All right, nicely done. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.